I have also the secondary AC system. Turn those on. They blow out from the vents from the ceiling. They were I had to spend another like $2,000 to remove the there's like an under, if you go to an RV, there's like an under control thing, so I rigged it so that the controls are on the outside. That's infinity mirror. Floor has a couple little minor flaws, you can see it, but the floor cleans up really easily. That's a roof emergency hatch. I have the paint to paint the outside again. For $1,000 I'll paint it too.